This needs to go. This is light.
And eliminate one of the greats of the game, Johnny Archer. Big shot there, just kind of simple. Now you think, you know, Robbie is a player that at times is not, I wouldn't label slow, but definitely
The top players, not at the very top, but certainly that bracket just below. And when I say the top, Yannick Pongers, has he potted it? He has. Oh wow. Yeah, Pongers again,
very
sure.
offensive. Could get going on you after a fine safety, but now it should be Robbie really to maintain, keep the cue ball off the cushion. He's gotten into this a bit heavy, but should be exactly 90 degrees with the backhand. But that's usually a sign of a player that started at a very tall, but plays a little more compact. It's amazing. You talk about Robbie and what he's done already. He's still a little bit out here and gained some experience. Maybe knock it away, hold underneath the purple. So easy for that. I was about to say, it's always fun to see what AJ's going to do from distance, just because he's so combination here. And David sometimes on the outer tables, especially if he's playing the type of player U.S. Open, they could really kind of play their way into that team. I say, unless you get the snooker, where are you really going with it?
Half. Come back down. Yeah, it's always steeper than you think. That camera angle, this. Well, many people on paper. A really good hit
During the match, it seems like the players that can get into the rack a bit more just seem to play a little hanging around. Gets another on his side. Now 9-7.
A few of the players were skeptical. JJ obviously in Yuma. He's quite a remote
You
part.
should advance. And I think that's what this has set us up for. There's big separation between the top tennis players in the world and number 1, 2, 8. And I think that's what we want here. I think. Yeah, pretty easy 9, and he didn't slow roll it. Yeah, that's where I think the little more
Opted out. Nothing wrong with that. That's because of the
table.
weight.
That is worth something.
May have potted it. Looks a little high though. AJ's took the wrap off
Down.
the cue.
And it's going to be Josh Filler against Gerson Martinez Bosa next to 3 there for position.
He's chipping it on the back rail though.
I know, but dang,
Right.
boy, that was a shot to shoot at, in my opinion. Buddhist. Just so good with the jump cue, these guys.
Yeah, big ball. Round 7. Well, he's hit something. I think it was the 8. And he's not happy.
Run the cue ball down below. He's chipping it. It's got to go a little bit. Yeah, a little. Yeah, it'll be a 4-9 combination to try and get on the board.
There it is. Starboard is involved.
Great connection there. A match. Here, just make sure you're tidy with the cue ball. Doesn't get away. That'll do. Doesn't need much on the pink with the purple 5 over the corner, the 6-7 on the bottom end as well.
Nicely.
Yeah, take a bit of OG8. Or maybe the tight 2 by the 3. And it just sat right in front of him, Carl. Draw stroke here shouldn't be a problem. Very responsive to the table. Cue ball. All right, put inside on that, or maybe a straight ball. Nice strike.
Whipping the cue ball around.
Only 4-2 is the deficit for young AJ, and he's breaking. Ball, double bank the 2 up table. He went twice across. Good choice. Not hard here to hold by the 6. I caught it on the thin side, maybe by design. Side to go up 6-0 quickly. What a hit he's made here, even though I don't know if it... Yeah, again. Take it on yourself. Kind of warped it with a high ball.
Yeah, he's leaving distance. Okay. Try and get up.
I like just chipping off the right myself. At the worst is a real solid match if you're facing him, and sometimes it's going to be an exceptional match. They're just flying in.
Hitting them.
Did you see what Filler just did?
No, I wasn't watching.
Banked the 1 in the side.
Talking about David Al-Qaedi's game before. Yeah, just coming up here. Oh, he's a little bit. Yeah, watch out cue ball. Watch out 1 ball.
Little bump on the 2 maybe. Yeah, should open.
Yeah, this is a really good split, JJ, isn't it?
The side, but pretty stress-free. And I wonder if he's just going to pick up the seeing him do. And I don't mind the slowdown. I think that's coming. But sometimes when the match isn't going your way, up the pace.
Philippines, this is why. Just like that, pulls it to 3
Trying hard. He's a few changes here and there. He's a guy who believes in himself big time. And if he gets some chances,
yeah, he milked it. Bro, I'm just watching.
oh, okay.
But listen, Robbie, you're far too experienced for any of that. So,
Is he going to get jacked up
like
over
Jason Short, he's going to march on through to this evening's last 32, and he's going to get hanging on
I
here.
wonder what may have gotten in the head.
Yeah. Well, the
On the
slight
2-ball to get back for the 3, his best break of the match, really. But prior, if you see that movement and it's right in front of you, and we understand it, but everyone can't quit doing what they're doing, but you can certainly.
probably just taking his frustration out, Jeremy, isn't he? He's just wobbled a little bit. AJ's coming back.
Let the beeps go down there, let those get away, and then kind of let that create more frustration.
Cue ball could fly off the bed of the table.
Or even worse, is you made the ball, and then you go over after you make that ball and say, hey, just when I'm shooting in your direction, can you maybe... Bosa's put another on his side at 4-2 over arguably the best player in the balls away from cutting that to 6-5. He's a grinder. He does not give up.
So he knows how to go deep on the last day.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
That will please him. That will settle him. I know. Listen, this arena's tight, but we want it to hold this like noise around him. Just let him play over there a little bit.
Yeah, here and there on the main table, of course. Everyone.
There's no doubt about it.
See Robbie missing this jump. Oh, he's trying to draw it. Get you some.
Well, I've just got myself over to the matchroom pool.
Well, it's just almost like Nathan, though. I mean, Nathan isn't, maybe the edge this and run the cue ball.
Yeah, I agree. I would say it's his biggest win.
Picks over the pocket. Yeah, that was nice. See the combination a little off angle.
Yeah, that's. Well, timeout. Just trying to use the ball.
Yeah, carbon copies kind of in a sense.
Yeah, start of this match we said styles make fights. That's a boxing. AJ likes to rest that Q-tip.
Wants to get great feeling around the table. Just hasn't come to be yet in this match. Been little glimpses, but a shot after the break and good timing for it. Really a relatively easy blue too, and very good starter.
Yeah, the first couple of matches of the day on table 1.
Mackinnon has won some 5 in a row. 7-6 ahead now on DeWong. He's coming down for the combo. I didn't think this.
Well, it's going to be the Karen, and it's going to be pulled to just.
I watched him here in his opener, and I just kind of feel like struggling a little, whether it's between the ears. Would love to shoot the gap between them. Oh, he had to go high ball. This is really got to go.
Jump shot as well.
For the scratch. Wow, what a hit. If I'm correct, that 9 ball from Hunter Lombardo has put him on the heel, I believe. Yeah, that would put him in. I think a lot of times with him, it's about getting in position and then finishing. And that doesn't mean right. Oh, this is going to be really good.
Takes the lead, 5-4.
Yeah, and as far as Hunter's concerned, we just didn't get to see him play enough in America, in my opinion. But now more. Did he get to the semis, was it? I think it was the semis. I think it was Shane. It seems like Robbie's gotten the mental game back.
The former UK Open champion.
Further places than that.
There's the push. Yeah, that
attention to it, period, to be honest. Oh, he was corner hooked, trying to swerve, and a little miscue off the side of the ball.
Yeah, that looks like he's up. Still a bit of work to do. Yeah, that's plumb. Robbie Capito yet again beats AJ.